ask yourself why you want to do something in your lesson. Very often, we plan some activities in our lessons because we really like them or because we think students will find them engaging. However, do the activities we like always help achieve the lesson aims? For example, you're teaching a grammar lesson, second conditional. You use the course book materials and you do the presentation as mentioned there. After that, you play Beyoncé's If I Were a Boy song and present the second conditional one more time. Why? Because your students like singing and because you like the song. You have presented the same grammar material twice, which means you have wasted the time your students could have used practicing. I seriously doubt that after such a lengthy presentation, your students will ever get to freer practice, which is of paramount importance in any language lesson, since it enables the learners to really use the language and learn it. When you plan your lesson, everything that you do has to contribute the aim's achievement. If you cannot answer the question, why do I need this in my lesson? How does this task help achieve my lesson aims? This activity is irrelevant.